Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Philips trimmer is not turning on when you press the power button, it can be irritating, especially when you are ready to use it and nothing happens. You might try pressing the button again and again, but the Philips trimmer still stays completely unresponsive. In some situations, the trimmer may have power but still refuse to start, while in others, there may be no sign of activity at all. This issue can happen because of charging problems, battery drainage, dirt buildup, or a temporary internal glitch. Since a trimmer depends on proper battery power and smooth movement of internal parts, even a small blockage can stop it from starting normally. The good thing is that many times this issue can be fixed with a few simple checks at home. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix a Philips trimmer that is not turning on. Try these. Step 1. Connect the Philips trimmer to the Philips trimmer charger and allow the Philips trimmer to charge for some time. Step 2. Clean the Philips trimmer blades and power button area to remove hair or dirt buildup. Step 3. Press and hold the power button on the Philips trimmer for a few seconds to restart the Philips trimmer. Step 4. Check the Philips trimmer charger and cable to confirm the Philips trimmer is receiving power. Step 5. Make sure the Philips trimmer is completely dry if the Philips trimmer was recently cleaned. Step 6. Turn on the Philips trimmer again and confirm the Philips trimmer is working properly.